In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your work efficiently from your document. Whether you're preparing for a professional presentation or simply sharing your creative projects online, knowing how to expertly export your files can help you maintain quality and clarity. Let's dive right into it. To begin the exporting process, first, ensure that your document is open. It might sound simple, but it's crucial to make sure everything you need is saved and neatly organized. You certainly don't want to miss any changes before exporting. Now, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu displaying several options. Here, you're going to select Export. It's a straightforward step, but lays the groundwork for customizing your export settings. Once you click on Export, the Export dialog will appear. This is where you start tailoring your export to best fit your needs. There's an important feature here called the Area drop-down menu. This menu lets you choose what exactly you want to export. If you've selected an artboard, you have two options. Selection with background allows you to export your chosen selection including the background, while selection without background lets you focus solely on the elements you've highlighted without any extras. These options help you maintain control over the final appearance of your output. Alternatively, if you want to export everything, simply choose Whole Document. This option is particularly useful when you're working with a complex project that includes multiple artboards. It ensures that nothing is left behind, giving you an all-encompassing export of your work. Next up, you'll need to decide on the file format you'd prefer. Your choice here can significantly affect both the quality and size of your exported file. Common formats include PNG, JPEG, and PDF, among others. If you're unsure about which format to choose, consider the purpose of your export. For instance, PNG is great for maintaining high quality with transparency, whereas JPEGs offer a smaller file size, perfect for online sharing. PDFs are ideal for documents that need to be printed or shared in a universally readable format. Finally, with your options set, you'll click Export. This leads you to the final step, choosing a destination folder where your exported files will be saved. Select a location that's easy to remember and access for quick retrieval later. For those exporting the whole document while working with multiple artboards, each artboard will become a page if exporting as a PDF, or will export as separate files depending on your chosen settings. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining order and ensuring that each piece of your project stands on its own. And that's it. You've successfully exported your document with precision and ease. Understanding these steps helps you efficiently share and preserve your work, reflecting your professionalism and attention to detail. Go ahead and practice with your files, and soon you'll be exporting like a pro. Thanks for watching.